Have you written, children? Here count the total numbers of teeth and all. So here know this is the important one. The teeth that appear in children 1 to 6 years are called milk teeth. 1 to 6 years, all these teeth called a milk teeth. Next one, they started falling from the age around 7 to 8 years. I told that. New teeth will appear in their places. These are permanent teeth. New teeth will appear and this called say permanent teeth. If the permanent teeth fall, they will not grow again. If your permanent teeth fall after the 8 or 9 years, they will not come again. They will not grow. So we have to protect them permanent teeth. An adult person has 32 teeth. Among them are 8 are incisors, 4 are canines, and remaining 20 are molars. Okay. So small children have totally 20 milk teeth. How many teeth have small children? All of the small children have a total 32 teeth. No and never. They have only 20 milk teeth. Okay. Small children have. So here another one story they are given in our book, children's here. Kanti. Kanti is one girl and she is studying in class 3 like you. She was very fond of sweets. She loves to eat sweets very much. So she was eating chocolates and other sweet items every day. What she is eating? Every day other sweets and only chocolates. It is true to eat? No, don't eat the sweets more or don't eat a chocolates. She was very lazy too and she is very lazy. She did not brush her teeth properly. It's very bad habit. Have a Kanti have very bad habit. She can't do her teeth properly. She did not wash her mouth after eating sweets. And what she was not doing? She was not doing her mouth. Gradually, food got stuck between the teeth and got decayed. Then what happened that time? If you are not washing your teeth, you are not doing brushing after meal, then some food will be stuck between your teeth and it will cause a decay, teeth decay. There was a fuel smell in her mouth. Then fuel smell will be started in her mouth. Teeth started to decay. The food stuck in between the teeth and then she is not doing brush neatly. She is not washing her face cleanly, mouth. So some food decay will started. It will get pain. Tooth decay will be started. It causes pain in her teeth, in his teeth. Sorry. Then bleeding and pus in gums means some bleeding will started from teeth and some pus will be gums in her gums. Okay. Her father took her to a dentist. Then that time she started a pain in her teeth. Then her father took her to the dentist. Dentist means the person who is a doctor related to our teeth. That person, that doctor called say dentist. Okay. Dentist means he can give treatment to our teeth only. The dentist examined her teeth and told Kanti, you are not brushing your teeth daily after eating food. The food particles get stuck between the teeth. You are not cleaning the teeth immediately after eating sweets. So your 3 teeth have decayed. There is fuel smell in your mouth. I have to remove 2 of them. I will treat another teeth. Means here doctor observed her teeth and he examined her teeth and that time he said to the Kanti, you are eating so many sweets but you are not doing brush at every time. You are not washing your mouth. You are not doing gargling sometimes. So that's why all food gets stuck between your teeth and it got a teeth decay. So 3 teeth. How many teeth? 3 teeth have decayed. So he can't and it came so bad smell from your teeth and it coming pus in gums and bleeding also. So I have to remove the 2 teeth and 1 teeth I will give treatment to the one teeth and two teeth I should have to remove. See what should Kanti have done to save her two teeth. What she have to do after eating. You have to, children, keep it in mind. You should have to brush your teeth at least twice in a day and wash your face and mouth every time after each and every meal. So teeth helps to increase beauty of our face and teeth help us pronounce correctly. Without our teeth we can't see neatly. All these our chips will go inside. So due to our teeth, it gives look to our face, increases our beauty. And second one, teeth help us to pronounce neatly, correctly. Okay. So turn to the next page here, page number 99, activity they are given. Observe these activities, put right mark to the right ones and wrong mark to the wrong ones. Here, that girl at morning time, she is doing brush her teeth. It is correct? Yes. And in the second picture, at the morning time, that girl is eating directly breakfast. Is correct? No. Make it here cross mark. In the second picture, here one boy is doing brush with, he is cleaning teeth with brush and toothpaste. In the second picture, he is doing by her finger. It's correct? No. Make it here cross mark. In the third picture, here one girl eating some sweets. After the sweet eating, she is gargling her mouth. It is correct? No? Yes, make it correct. And in this second picture, that another girl is eating that sweets and she is only wiping her face with a handkerchief. It's not correct, children. Here last picture, that boy after eating he is gargling again with the water his mouth. And in the next picture, that boy is only again wiping her face. It's not correct. Are you done? These are some good habits. Next on 100 page. Notice, eat hard food items such as raw carrot, sugar cane, dry coconut, etc. Once a while, the teeth and gums are exercised and remain healthy. Drinking milk will also keep the teeth strong. What you have to do, children? You have to eat sugar cane, carrot, dry coconut and all these things once a while. Why? Because your teeth will get exercised. Chew the food items regularly and drink milk regularly. If you are drinking your milk at night or once in a day, your teeth will be very strong. If you have any problem with teeth, consult the dentist immediately. If your teeth gets started pain or anything, then consult a doctor immediately. There is a dentist in your locality. Get information about the cleaning of teeth. When you are going to the dentist, you will tell about how to clean our teeth. Okay. Here one small poem. Teeth teach the incisors to bite vegetables and fruits. By using our incisors, we can bite the fruits and vegetables. Sharp and long canines to tear the sugar cane. Sharp and long canines, by using we can tear a sugar cane. Just behind them are molars to grind the food really soft. Yes, by using our molars we can we can grind the food items easily. I know you help one and all to chew their food and eat it up. Means all these are helping to chew the food items. In that way, it's very interesting lesson, importance of teeth. Do you understand, children? Which are the three different types, what their functions? So try to read this lesson in your home. Today we are finished here. Read this lesson in your house. In our next class, I will start a new lesson. Thank you, children.